was a Sunday morning. I was just moving some cows from one field to another because I hadn't been in one field for about a fortnight, so I just wondered how much grass is in it. So instead of going round the long way, I went the short way. And the short way was a little steep hill, and that was the end of it basically. Going up a steep hill, just got to the top and the quad started spinning. And I thought I could control it, and it came back over and bounced on top of me and broken pelvis. It's left me with a lot of pain. I get pain every day basically, pain most of the time, albeit very mild a lot of the time, but because I'm a working farmer, the work's hard, heavy, and by evening every night I'm tired with pain.
It changes your life. At the time it was, I can only say horrendous. He was a week in Hereford Hospital, and then he had 10 days, I think it was, in Coventry Hospital after theatre, trying to get to Coventry to see him all the time. 3 hours there, 3 hours back, the farming to do as well. It was hard.
The farm itself, I've downsized. Within sort of 12 months, I'm hoping to retire from farming pretty well altogether because I just can't manage it basically. Just the heavy work is just hard going. It just, you just get a lot of pain and get very, very tired. All of this pain and the lack of leisure life is just because I took a shortcut. One Sunday morning, just out doing the cows and just doing farm chores, and just took a shortcut, and it just causes a lot of problems the rest of your life. For any other farmer watching this, you've got to think about health and safety. It's affected my life and it's affected my livelihood, and I don't want anybody else to be in the same position.